right, I'm back. I feel like it's pointing too low. Hold on. First of all, I'd just like to apologize to you guys for kind of bailing on you for a bit. You know, I kind of just stopped making videos. Plans got a bit derailed. Parts were supposed to show up. Things that I was supposed to be able to do over winter when the cars were in storage. One thing I do want to say right off the rip is let me know what you guys want to see. This channel, as much as it is my channel, it's for you guys, anybody who's watching. So I want to know what you guys want to see. Mods you want to see on the cars, you know, things you want me to do with the cars, places you want me to go. You know, I see videos of guys going to car meets and stuff. I can do that. You know, I can film car meets, see what's up there, see if we get any runs in, see whatever. You know, I can film big car shows. I can put the cars in car shows. I can, you know, do more DIY stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see. I don't have the C63 here today. It's in storage in another place. But I do have the Z and the Type-S here today. So I think what I'm gonna do first, because I've been wanting to drive for a while now, is go get the Type-S out. I haven't even started these things since whatever the last video you guys saw. That was pretty much the last time I drove any of the cars. I wanna take the Type-S out and test out this mic because it's a directional mic. So, you know, I'm hoping that it'll kind of isolate sounds better. It's one of the Rode ones, so hoping that it picks up some sound. Let's go. G35 is right there, if anybody was wondering. Random, I just saw it and I forgot it was there. The Z is right here, as you just saw. Yeah, I'm gonna start this thing. It's been about 4.5 months since I started it. Got the Honda data, gonna plug this in. Okay, I hear fuel. All right, huge success. Nothing went wrong. This is a well-built car, in my opinion. I don't know why I'm like so surprised, but let's take it out for a drive. This is pretty exciting. Boys, it is good to be back. I forgot how loud this thing is though. It's so weird like being low and like seeing how high up the cars are in the mirror and everything, and hearing the boost noises again. I'm gonna just kind of get this thing warmed up, put it through its paces, just make sure everything's all good. And then I actually have a GoPro, so maybe I'll toss that on. I'll catch you guys in a couple minutes. It gets dark here pretty early, so I kind of ran out of daylight. Actually feels really fast. Maybe it's the IATs, I don't know. They're pretty low, but wow. Put another resonator in this thing, man. It is so unbearably loud. That's another reason why I'm always on like back roads way away from people. I just find it kind of embarrassing how loud it is, to be honest with you. It's not my thing. I love loud cars, but this thing is like louder than my C63, and that's not a good thing. That's funny, I almost ordered them the other day. I've been wondering about that. I was like, oh no, my trans feels fine. But you know what? I'm gonna change those. What's up, fellas? It was already late when I took the TL out yesterday. You know, days are short here. Gonna do some quick mods to the Z. Just a few quick things that I've been holding on to over winter. So I have Works CRKs on this thing, and I love them. But they came with these black center caps that say work motion, whatever. And I like them. I don't mind them. But I kind of just think silver would be better because I feel like the black breaks up the wheel a bit. So I got these brushed silver ones and they took like a year to get here. I'll show you a side-by-side comparison. I think that the silver is gonna be a better contrast with the wheel. I don't know. Gonna try that out, see if I like them. And what else do I, oh, so I also got, hell yeah, OEM GTR parts, baby. It's just a start button, but gonna install that, should take 2 seconds. And then, oh yeah, then I'm gonna take this thing out because I still haven't driven this. This thing, obviously you guys saw that little first drive yesterday of this thing. Feels incredible, so nice. Gonna get going on this thing, pull off all the wheels. Well, I'll do one side and then compare them and see what I think. All right, I just got one side done real quick. So just for reference, this is the black center cap. Now again, nothing wrong with it. I'm still keeping them, I like it. And this is the silver. So I just think, I don't know, I think that looks cleaner. I think it really matches the wheel. Running out of daylight here, so I'm gonna rush through, get this push start button installed. Just to show you guys real quick, so I'm in the Z. So this is what the start button looks like right now. So we got this one, it'll just replace this. I'm gonna keep the silver surround. Got a trim tool, and it should take me 2 seconds. Let's check if this thing starts. I still have this hanging out a little bit, just in case it doesn't work. Plug that in here. There we go. Make sure she's in neutral. See if she starts. Boys, we're back. Looks good. Love to see it. Forgot how bright those lights were. Holy moly. Boys, I am so hyped. Starting to get the cars back on the road. It's such a good feeling, man. Man, what a good day. Got the Z back. It's a good day. And, you know, just gonna try and enjoy that. It's a new day. It got too dark the other day when I was doing this. I don't even remember what day it was. All right. You kind of get a better idea of how the center caps look. Not a huge difference, but yeah, I think it's just a clean look. Oh, and I forgot, I gotta show you the start button. So, as you can see, you can kind of see in the daytime now. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not a huge difference, right? But feels cool to have some sort of GTR part in here. It matches some of the red in the interior and some of the orange and whatnot, whatever. And I forgot how awkward it is to vlog in public. Anyways, I'm gonna get some revs of the Z. I wanna test this mic. So I'm just gonna point it right at the exhaust and see if it makes some noise. Just for reference, so you can see how far I am, I'm just zooming in so it looks better. I forgot you can only rev this thing to like 5,000 RPM when it's parked. It's weird. Super random. I bought a lav mic and a bunch of adapters and stuff. So I'm gonna try it out on this thing real quick, just because I don't want to drive this thing until I do the pressure switches, which I ordered after last night. So pressure switches incoming for this. A couple other things too. This thing's getting some love soon. But this is my little setup here. So I got this little lav mic coming out the back. It's one of those purple Panda ones. I have a Rode TRRS to TRS adapter in there, and it's running up here to my GoPro. I have the little media adapter thing on it. So I'm gonna try this out, see how it works. The plan actually is not to record the exhaust of this thing, but I actually want to put it under the hood. I think it'd be really cool to hear all the boost noises under the hood of this thing, because you'll hear the exhaust anyways, it's so loud. So I'm gonna go test this quick before it gets dark. Let's do it. Figured I might as well end this video here just because it's going to be dark by the time I get done this little test drive thing. So got some parts coming for the TL, just maintenance stuff, and a few, I guess you can consider them mods, but whatever. I don't know if I mentioned in this video, I was thinking about replacing the side skirts and rear spats on the TL just so the whole kit's matching. I was going to do the artwork body shop ones, just to have everything matching and have those little winglet things come off of them. Let me know what you think of that. I don't know if anybody watches the videos this far, but if you do, let me know. Your opinion matters. I will do it if you tell me to. Even if one of you tells me to, I'll do it. Tell me to do it. I'll do it. I'll do it, man. I will do it. Anyways, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.